Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. Here you can see this is a Redmi 5. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. Let's check the specification of this ROM. Here you can see this is the Revenge OS ROM Revenge OS version 4.0. This is the latest version available for Redmi 5. In Revenge OS 5 December security patch is available. Latest security patch Google Play System Update 11 kernel. We will check all the features and the specification of this ROM. What are the features of this ROM? This is the full review. Here you can see first lecture the Wi-Fi is working properly. I have tested each and every feature, so Wi-Fi is working perfectly, and the hotspot is also working perfectly. No problem in the hotspot. You can easily connect the hotspot in the device. Here you can see. Let me show you. Here you can see Redmi 5, Xiaomi Redmi 5. You can easily connect without any problem. There is no bug in the hotspot. There is no reboot. I have tested this custom ROM, so don't worry. Let's check the Bluetooth also. Here is the Bluetooth icon. Bluetooth is working perfectly, no problem in the Bluetooth. You can easily connect the Bluetooth without any problem. Here you can see it is active, 60% battery remaining. You can easily connect the car Bluetooth also. It works perfectly. There is no reboot, there is no restart of the Bluetooth, and the battery performance of this ROM is good. Here you can see, and here is the status bar QS tiles. Here you can see this is proper fitted. Here you can see all the resolutions are properly fitted. Here you can see all the QS tiles work properly. Here you can see battery health. Here is the battery current capacity, design battery capacity. Here you can see. Here is the battery performance of the last 9 hours ago. I have used 9 hours 15 minutes and to benchmark. Let's set the display. Here is the display. Yes, brightness level is working perfectly, no problem in the brightness level. Automatic brightness is also working perfectly. Here is the dark theme. Here you can see these are the dark theme available in this ROM. Pure black theme. Night light is also working perfectly. Intensity, you can set the intensity darker. You will get the more darker intensity from here in this ROM. Adaptive brightness, live display, status bar. Let's set the status bar. Icon tuner. These are the icon tuners. Volt is working. Here you can see I have inserted Jio and BSNL. Volt is working perfectly. You can receive the call. You can call anybody from this device. It works perfectly, no problem. You can easily adjust the font size, display size, lock screen. There is no always on display from here. Double tap to wake is working perfectly. Accidental backup. Here you can see it works perfectly. Double tap to wake. Double tap to wake is working. Double tap to sleep is working. Double tap to wake on the lock screen, and the sleep on the lock screen is also working perfectly. Here is the sound. Here you can see, you can hear the sound. Sound works perfectly, and these sounds are playing in the Bluetooth audio devices. It is working perfectly, no problem. Vibration is also working. Navigation by vibration is also working perfectly, no problem. Touch sound is also working. Let me disconnect the Bluetooth. Then touch sound is working perfectly, no problem in the touch sound. Here you can see 8.34 GB storage is free, but there are few applications as and to do benchmark game. If one game is installed, we will also check that game review. That is approximate 350 MB game. Here is the privacy show password manager. You can check according to your use. And the Google account is not included in this ROM, so you have to flash the flame gaps. I have flashed the bit gaps in this ROM. Here is the accessibility. Those are the same features. Dark theme is available from here. There is no always on display in this ROM. 3 navigation bar. Gestures is also working. 2 button gestures is also working perfectly, no problem. You can easily enjoy the gestures in this ROM. There is no problem. It works perfectly. If you face any problem or bug in this ROM, you can comment down below, or you can join our Telegram group. Let's check the safety net, whether it is passed or not. You can easily check. Let's check the safety net also. Here you can see our safety net is failed in the device. Safety net request is success, failed. Here you can see two failed, 2 success. Here you can see overall it is failed. Safety net compatibility is failed. Let's check the Play Store. Play Store is not certified in this ROM. You can easily certify it by Magisk also and by built. Here you can see device is not certified in this ROM. As you can see, here you can see Jio application is working perfectly, no problem in the application. You can easily use the Jio application without any problem or saying your device is rooted. And here is the Google phone app available. These are the styles and the wallpapers available. You can easily adjust the fonts, wallpapers, grid clock also available in this ROM. Here you can see I am not sure about the always on display, but it is not available in the lock screen. I have searched from here also. I have searched each and every feature, but there is no always on display available as in Android 11. Let's check the Antutu, but Antutu benchmark test is not working in this ROM, as it is not able to test the ROM. It again comes back to 0, so I can't tell the score. Here you can see these are screenshot available. Clear all is available from here, and the share is available. You can easily share the application. Let me show you how it works. Here you can see, let's click on the share. You can easily share via SMS, Bluetooth. You can easily share the applications. Here you can see here is the camera. It works perfectly, no problem in the camera. You can easily use the camera without any problem. You can easily flash the Google camera also in this ROM. The gaming review, this is the Cover Fire game I have installed in this ROM. If you want PUBG in this ROM to be tested or upcoming ROMs, you can comment down below, but I will provide the PUBG gaming in this ROM soon. In this ROM, all ROMs, let's check the performance of this ROM. The performance of this game in this ROM is good. There is no lag in the performance, I will show you that there is no lag as the game size is little bit low. This is approximate 4 MB game, for 400 MB game, sorry. You can easily skip from here. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem. As you can see, Cover Fire. I don't play this game, but I will show you about the gaming review in this ROM. That's why I am playing this ROM. Location is working perfectly, no problem in the location. You can easily share the location. Google Map is working perfectly. Let's check the security and the fingerprint. There is no face unlock in this ROM. We will check how fast is the fingerprint in this ROM, and this ROM is better to use for daily purpose also, but I don't think about the huge graphics gaming, about 2 GB gaming, but soon PUBG test will be available. Here you can see, tap, open. Fingerprint is lightning fast, no problem in the fingerprint. There is no bug in the fingerprint or any delay in the fingerprint. Fingerprint is very fast. There is no any delay. Sometimes there may be due to the applications opened in the window. Here is the system. Here is the gestures available in this ROM. I have already tell you about the gesture. Double tap to sleep. Double tap to sleep on the status bar is also working perfectly. Camera is working perfectly. Swipe to screenshot is also working. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in the screenshot also. Here are the buttons available. Volume broker, wake is also available. You can easily wake the device with volume buttons. Here is the weather application, Android 11 ROM. Here you can see these are the features or the applications available in this ROM. I have not installed, it is already installed. YouTube Boost is already installed in this ROM. It works perfectly, no problem. And our internet connection is also working. You can easily use the internet without any problem. Here you can see I have turned on the internet. It works perfectly, but it is saying sign into the network as my data is exhausted or my recharge is due. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the description. There is the installation video. Just you have to replace the files. You have to flash the Revenge OS file. Then you can flash the gaps also. If you want to root, you can root also. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.